Google Meet, Google Doc, Google Sheets, make it stop. You don't need to know it, we gon' bring it to you, show it, cause it's T-E-C-H-T-I-P. Get ready, are you ready, cause it's Tech Tip Tuesday.
T-E-C-H-T-I-P, hey, give it to 'em, give it Tech Tip Tuesday. T-E-C-H-T-I-P, hey, give it to 'em, give it Tech Tip Tuesday.
Hey Bulldogs, Mrs. Smith here with your Tech Tip Tuesday. The first tech tip I'm going to show you is how to change your Google Chrome theme. So you're going to search for the Chrome Web Store, click on the link, and then click on Themes. And then you could scroll down and choose any theme you would like. So I'm going to pick this one. You click on it and go to Add to Chrome. And it takes a minute to download. And then when you open a new browser and refresh, there you go. There's your Google Chrome theme. One of my favorite ones to search is Hey Ashley G. She has a lot of fun templates for you to choose from to use in your web store. So you just search up here and then just go to more themes. And then we have a cool cheetah print right here I'm going to use. Add to Chrome. And there you go. You have a fun, fancy new Google Chrome theme. Hey Bulldogs, now that I have my fun Chrome background, I'm going to show you one of my favorite extensions. This is going to be super helpful for our teachers and students. Do you ever have a PDF document that you just wish you could convert to Word or to Google Slides? Well, guess what? Now you can. Right here, small PDF. So just search for it, add the extension, and right here, you just simply click on what it is that you want to convert. So if you want to take a PDF file and convert it to a PowerPoint, you just simply click on that, upload your file, it'll convert it, you download it, and it's yours to have and edit. Hey Bulldogs, teachers, this one is for you. Grade transfer. Go search it right now and add it to your Google Chrome extensions right here. So what this does is it takes your grades from Google Classroom and it transfers them directly into your gradebook in Genesis. Amazing, right? So instead of me sitting here trying to explain how it works, I'm going to show you a quick overview video.
Grade Transfer, the time-saving tool for teachers. Grade Transfer is a Chrome extension that conveniently lives in the toolbar of your Chrome browser. It supports over a dozen major educational platforms and works the same way on each. To use it, simply click the icon, followed by the green button. Grade Transfer grabs the grades and names from a particular assignment and places them into its storage briefcase. If you ever want to view the data, just click the briefcase. To clear it, click on the trash icon. It also provides a summary after each action it performs. Now head on over to your gradebook. Grade Transfer supports a variety of major gradebooks teachers use. For the most current list of supported systems, visit gradetransfer.com. To transfer data, click on the icon followed by the green button, and in seconds, your entire class's grades are sorted and automatically filled into their appropriate cells. And again, it will provide you with a summary. Grade Transfer works on desktops, laptops, and even Chromebooks. It also works with any operating system. As long as you can run a Chrome browser, you're good to go. It can run Grade Transfer. We take data security and privacy seriously. From teachers, Grade Transfer collects and stores only their name and login information for their Grade Transfer account. This data is always encrypted, both when in transit and while in our account database. And student data, it never leaves your computer. That means we don't collect, store, or even see the data you transfer, ever. But there's more. Grade Transfer can also scale grades, so teachers don't have to recalculate them by hand. Teachers aren't hired for low-level manual data entry and arithmetic. Their time should be used for something more important, like teaching. Grade Transfer can even work with sets of combined data, for example, all freshman midterms, to sort the data effortlessly into individual gradebooks or sections. So what are you waiting for? Cut down on embarrassing typos and start saving time today. Automate the process with Grade Transfer, the time-saving tool for teachers.